Okay guys, this is Maurice with Converso Energy and my boy Izzy. See him? This is a project for Oscar Hernandez. We're going to do this AP install for him. So right now we're just doing an inventory. Right here we have his trunk cable. We have his roof hooks. We have his rail over here. And then a box of wires and conduit fittings and whatnot. We got the roof flashings for the J-box, and we have the racking mid clamps, end clamps, and J-boxes in here. And of course, this is the pallet of panels, 32 panels going in. It's going to go east-west, 16-16. And I'll let you know when we finish the install.